There's a lonely shrimp floating somewhere in the warm delta waters. There is a cow in Wisconsin that is willing and able to produce the pepper jack cheese. There's a jalapeno from Mexico, Juarez. There is a piece of wood from a pine tree from Arkansas. They all come together to satisfy your appetizer needs. This is where surf meets swine. For the ladies. Toothpicking and grinning. Waters of the Delta. And there's a pig running around in Alabama. They shall meet with a jalapeno from Mexico. You want to cook the bacon so it's halfway done, so it's malleable.